What if that ordinary red note in your wallet hides a journey more complex than building a smartphone? From secret cotton fields to invisible security threads, Chinese currency travels through a hidden world of science and precision. Stay till the end, you'll never see money the same way again. This journey doesn't begin in a factory, but in open fields where cotton grows under the sun. This is not ordinary cotton. The fibers here are specially selected for their length, strength and purity. It is called long staple cotton, which is much stronger than the cotton used for clothing. When the cotton bolls fully open, they reveal soft white fibers that may look delicate but are actually extremely strong. Farmers harvest this cotton using machines and careful handwork to ensure the fibers are not damaged. Timing is very important. Harvesting too early leaves fibers underdeveloped, while harvesting too late can reduce quality. The cotton is then compressed into dense bales, each labeled and graded based on fiber length, color and cleanliness. Only the best bales move forward to become banknote paper, while the rest are used for other purposes like textiles or industrial filling. From the fields, these cotton bales are transported to specialized paper mills. This is where the real transformation begins. The cotton is first opened and cleaned, removing dust, seeds and impurities. Giant machines fluff the cotton into a light mess. Then it is mixed with water to create a soft pulp. At this stage, the fibers are not just floating randomly. They are treated with precision, so their surfaces develop tiny fibrils, like microscopic hooks, which later help them bond tightly together. This process is called beating or refining. If it's done too little, the paper becomes weak, too much, and it becomes brittle. This is why banknote paper is much stronger than ordinary paper. The water used in this stage is purified and recycled, making the process environmentally responsible. As the pulp moves forward, special additives are introduced. These are not only for strength, but also to prepare the paper for advanced security features. Fluorescent compounds are added so the paper can react under ultraviolet light. Polymeric strengthening agents improve tear resistance. When the pulp spreads onto a moving screen, the real magic begins. A watermark forms within the paper itself, not printed on the surface, but created by controlling fiber thickness. A roller called a dandy roll presses patterns into the wet pulp, creating lighter and darker areas. At the same time, a security thread is embedded inside the paper, becoming a permanent part of it. This thread may be metallic or partially transparent and can include microprinting or other features. Even at this early stage, the note already carries its identity and protection. After the paper is formed, it passes through drying systems where moisture is carefully removed. Large heated rollers press and dry the sheet continuously. The result is a strong, flexible cotton paper with a unique texture. Crisp yet soft, resistant to folding and tearing. The paper is then inspected, rolled, and cut into large sheets, each ready for the next phase. At this stage, the sheets look simple and blank, but they already contain critical security features like the watermark and embedded thread, which cannot be added later. Now comes the printing stage, where the note begins to take its recognizable form. The sheets enter large printing halls where advanced machines operate under strict environmental control. Temperature, humidity, and dust levels are carefully managed. The first stage is offset printing, where background colors and fine patterns are applied. Multiple rollers transfer ink from plates to paper, creating smooth layers. This is where the famous colors of Chinese currency, like red, green, and blue, begin to appear. The designs are extremely detailed, filled with fine lines and patterns that are very difficult to replicate. These include Gillock patterns, geometric shapes generated using mathematical precision. At this point, the note has color but still appears flat and incomplete. The real transformation happens during intaglio printing. In this process, engraved plates are pressed onto the paper with immense pressure. The result is a raised print that you can feel with your fingers. The portrait text and key design elements stand slightly above the surface. This is not just for appearance, it is one of the most important security features, allowing people to verify authenticity by touch. The level of detail is extraordinary, with every line engraved by skilled craftsmen or advanced laser systems. The ink used in intaglio printing is thick and slow drying, designed to sit on top of the paper rather than being absorbed. After this, more advanced features are added. Special inks that change color when tilted are applied to certain areas, such as large numerals or emblems. These optically variable inks contain tiny metallic or layered particles that reflect light differently depending on the angle. They are easy to check, but extremely difficult to counterfeit. Serial numbers are printed using high-speed machines, giving each note a unique identity. These numbers are carefully tracked for full production control. Additional elements like hidden images, microtext and fine line patterns are also included, all designed to make counterfeiting as difficult as possible. Once all printing is complete, the sheets move to the finishing stage. Protective coating, usually a clear polymer-based varnish, is applied to increase durability and protect against dirt, moisture, and wear. Then comes one of the most critical steps: inspection. High-speed machines scan every sheet using advanced sensors and cameras. They check alignment, color accuracy, and the presence of every security feature. Even the smallest defect, like a tiny tear or ink spot, can lead to rejection. Only perfect sheets move forward. Rejected sheets are shredded and recycled back into the pulp process. After inspection, the sheets are prepared for cutting into individual notes. Precision cutting machines slice through stacks of paper with extreme accuracy, ensuring every note is identical in size. For the first time, the familiar Chinese currency notes appear as individual pieces. These notes are then automatically counted and organized into bundles, usually 100 notes per bundle. Each bundle represents a fixed value and is carefully secured with paper bands. From here, the notes are packaged into larger units, bricks, then cassettes, then pallets, and prepared for distribution. They are sealed in secure containers and transported under strict supervision, often with GPS tracking and armed escorts, to central facilities like the People's Bank of China. There, they are recorded, added to inventory, and distributed to commercial banks. From banks, these notes enter daily life through ATMs, bank counters, and retail transactions. At this stage, the journey becomes part of human activity, as notes move from one hand to another across cities, towns, and markets. This is where the note fulfills its true purpose, enabling trade, storing value, and supporting economic life. In circulation, the note proves its design. People tilt it to check color shifting effects, feel its texture to confirm the raised print, and hold it to light to see the watermark and security thread. All the features added during production now perform their roles, ensuring trust and authenticity. Despite constant use, folding, crumpling, and passing through countless hands, the note maintains its strength and appearance. And if we go back to the very beginning, we realize that everything starts with cotton. That soft natural fiber is the foundation of the entire process. It is grown in specific regions, such as Xinjiang in China, where long hours of sunlight, sufficient water, and temperature differences between day and night create ideal conditions. After harvesting, the cotton goes through cleaning, grading, and preparation before reaching the paper mills. There, it is transformed step by step into a material far stronger and more durable than ordinary paper. The fibers are processed, bonded, and structured in a way that gives the final product its unique qualities, crispness, tear resistance, and the ability to carry fine printing and complex security features. So in the end, what appears to be a simple banknote is actually the result of an extraordinary journey. From cotton fields to advanced machines, from thoughtful design to precise engineering, every step plays a role in creating something people trust every day. It is not just money. It is a blend of nature, technology, and human skill, all working together to create a small but powerful part of everyday life.